Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. Today is my IPSY unboxing. This is my box for March. I did already previously start recording this and the computer turned off, so I'm starting over. So let's pretend that this is all brand new. Yay! I'm doing this after work. I was a little chatty, so we're going to we'll see if we can keep that same energy from before. So the first thing I grabbed was these sheet masks. I have peaches. Okay, so this is blueberry banana, and this is peaches and cream. The blueberry is, these are sheet masks, which I love a sheet mask. I don't know how many times I need to tell you that, but you know. Blueberry combats fine lines and wrinkles. The banana, oh, I forgot to pause the music. Banana exfoliates to brighten skin. And then the peaches and cream, peach rejuvenates and brightens signs of fatigue. The milk calms sensitive skin and corrects discoloration. So, I'm in love with these already. And I feel like I need to get a larger beauty fridge. Don't judge me. Next thing in the bag is the Life Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser. This looks really cute. I like the packaging. I actually was just reading, anyways. Few pumps, perfect for all skin types. This is a great size for travel, overnight, weekend trips, short trips, that kind of thing. So I will be trying that. The next thing was the Gold Faden MD Solution Radical Difference Advanced Antioxidant Serum. I had a little bit of trouble getting that out before, but I got it out this time. This is a pump. This is cruelty-free and recyclable or recycled. Not sure. And made in Florida. Okay, cool. The next thing in the bag was this Thirsty Hands Super Hydrating Hand Mask. And I was saying before that in this pandemic age, we do a lot more hand washing, a lot more hand sanitizing. So your hands do get a little drier. And especially during the winter months, which technically March is winter. It's toward the beginning of spring. Oh, wait. So when you spring forward, is that the official start of spring? No, the 22nd, I think, is the start of spring. I think. Anyway, with all the things that we do to keep our hands clean, it dries them out. So the hand mask is going to be awesome. Next thing, I don't remember what order this came in, but the PYT Beauty Eyeshadow Palette. And these do have names, which I forgot, and I dropped it somewhere. But this is a day to night palette in cool. These are cool tones. But this is really pretty. Nice light neutral tones, and then you sharpen it up for nighttime. Very cute. Next, I have a Florence by Mills Glow Yeah lip oil. I actually put some of this on, so I have 2 lip oils on right now. This is cute. Nice applicator. And it's very smooth, not sticky. It does not have a scent that I can detect. And then I actually pulled out another lip oil that I got in my box from Ciate, and it is the Lychee and Acai Burst Conditioning Lip Oil. I chose not to put this on because I have 2 lip oils on right now, so I don't want to overload. You know what? Why not? Cute applicator, simple, pretty color. Oh, a lot more of that came out than I thought too. So lip oils, you don't have to squeeze so hard. And this is also very soft and not sticky. Oh, now this has a scent. I can smell that. That smells sweet and nice. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's strong. Maybe because the air conditioning is blowing on me and now I can smell it. But anyway, the next thing in the bag are these 2 Days Mask. Is that the brand name? 2 Days Mask. Pore Care and Clarifying Tea Tree. And this is 2 days mask, hydrating and nourishing bamboo water. Okay, so it is Arul 2 days mask. Okay, 2 days mask is the name, the brand name. Ariul. And it is 0 microplastic, travel friendly, not tested on animals, cruelty free. Thank you. And vegan. Thank you. And I was mentioning earlier in my previous video that I filmed again, I don't necessarily look for cruelty-free. I don't necessarily look for vegan items, but I do like it when I stumble upon something that I like that happens to also be cruelty-free and vegan. I do prefer cruelty-free because I really don't know why you have to test some things on animals, like lip oil. Find a human, because that's who's going to be wearing it. Anyways, next in the bag. And I think I'm almost done. There seem to be a lot of things in this bag. And actually, it's a really big box. And I did customize it a little bit. And I did do some add-ons. And right now, I don't remember which ones were add-ons and which one were part of the box. But I do have the Glam Deluxe or something like that. The one that's $25 a month. This is not a sponsored video by IPSY. I pay for this myself. And it's also not sponsored by Home Depot. I just happen to be moving. This is the bag that everything came in. It's really, really cute. I will be keeping this. And the last thing in the bag, I do remember choosing this as one of my options. This is the MOTD Cosmetics brush set. And these, I believe, I don't know if it's the paper. I think they're pink. I need to stop ordering brushes from them. I have a ton of brushes. So, but I am restocking. I am redoing my brushes because some of them are old and they're just raggedy. So I needed to re-up on my brushes. And why pay for them when I can get them through IPSY, which I am semi-paying for them, but not as much as, going to the store. Oh, these are cute. They are pink. Oh, how cute are these? And this is an eye brush set. Oh, these are adorable. Standout sweep. Come through contour. Oh, that's cute. See how that's angled? Tapered contour crease. Cool. That goes right in here. Miss Shady Lady. These are cute. And Smoky Detailer. Oh, that's a cute brush. So, I don't know if you can see. It's angled and it's a little flat edge. Oh, so that's going to be, oops, trying to get around the glasses. Right in there. Oh, these are so adorbs. Okay, so that's it. IPSY is a monthly subscription box for beauty and skincare and hair care items. And you can customize it to let them know what you like to receive and how often you like to receive those things. So I'm going to go with this configuration of products that I've customized kind of to cater to myself. I wanted to receive some things more frequently, some things less frequently. I think I took lipstick off of it and added brushes more, and then skincare more often. I did have mascara on there, so maybe the next one may be mascara, the next box or something. So anyway, I am loving this box. 2 lip oils, an eyeshadow palette, 4 sheet masks, and a brush set that is super cute. A serum and a cleanser. I'm excited. And this bag is absolutely adorable. I love it. So I'm going to put everything back in this bag, throw this box away because I am packing, and try and look for a larger beauty fridge for my new bathroom. Oh my gosh. And it's not because I just am stockpiling things. It's because I have so many things. Oh, cute. Confidence comes from within. Is that the cutest thing? I just saw that on the bag. Sorry. Squirrel. It's because I do use the things I have, but, it does take time to go through some things as you're using them. You have to use it till it's gone. And so while I'm doing that, I do need some place to put the things until it's their turn. Yes. So while I await that time, I may need a slightly larger beauty fridge. That's all I'm saying. Don't judge me. That's all I'm saying. So, and I have a slightly larger bathroom to put them in. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This has been a really fun box. My foot is falling asleep. Oh, ow. Oh, it's so asleep. Whew. Okay. It's tingling up to my leg now. Thank you so much for watching. This has been absolutely fun. This box is really cute. Let me end this video before my computer shuts down again, and I'm at 10.5 minutes. Hopefully my dad watched the whole time. I don't know. You guys have a great week. Remember to treat everyone with kindness. I wear this bracelet as a reminder. It was part of my Christmas gift from my friend. Be kind. Be kind to each other and be kind to yourself. Peace.